Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AAmna's kitchen. This is Sonu and today we're gonna make fruit cocktail. Let's start. Let's just take a look at the ingredients. You'll need 3 mangoes and slice them up very well. You'll need 250 grams of grapes, 1 medium-sized muskmelon and 12 bananas which are sliced. And we'll need about 1 bowl of vanilla custard and about 1 small bowl of vanilla cream. And we'll need raisins, 50 grams and 20 to 30 pieces of almonds. So let's start. So let's start making. Let's just take our mixing bowl and one by one add all the fruits in it. Set the bananas. Now let's just mix it. Another spoon. Go. Now let's just add the cream to it. Now don't forget, use only vanilla cream in it. If you use any of the flavor cream, then won't be that much. Let's just mix it again. And now let's just take the final step. Okay, so I have a bowl. Let's start this. Custard. Let's add some more fruits and now let's add another layer of custard. And then repeat the cycle by using another layer of fruits. All the fruits. There we go. Our cocktail is ready. Let's just add the raisins. And the almonds. Now it's ready, so let's put this in the refrigerator for about an hour or so, and then it will be really good. Now it will stay in there for about an hour, and in that time I'll do my homework. So our food cocktail is ready and I'm enjoying it. You should also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.